In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order for inventory in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer managing finances, knowing how to efficiently create a purchase order can really streamline your inventory processes. Let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by signing in. If you're not already logged into your QuickBooks Online account, this is where you need to start. Navigate to the QuickBooks Online homepage and look for the Sign In button. Give it a click to proceed. Once you're at the sign-in page, it's time to choose QuickBooks Online from the list of options that appear. It's always good to double check that you're accessing the correct QuickBooks service, especially if you've used other QuickBooks products in the past. After selecting QuickBooks Online, you'll be prompted to type in your credentials. This will be your username and password associated with your QuickBooks account. Go ahead and enter those and then click Continue. A little tip here, if you have multiple credentials for different accounts, ensuring you're logging into the right one will save you a lot of trouble later on. Now that you're logged in successfully, it's time to head to the main dashboard. Here, locate the New button. Typically, you'd find it at the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking New will open a drop-down menu with several options to choose from. From this menu, navigate to Other, where you'll see an option for Inventory Quantity Adjustment. Select this option to proceed further into the purchase order creation process. At this point, you'll need to add the product that you are creating the purchase order for. This is where you'll specify the item you intend to purchase and adjust the inventory quantity for. It's crucial to make sure all the product details are accurate and up to date to avoid inventory discrepancies later on. With your product selected, the next step is to type in the quantity adjustment. This means determining the number of items needed for your upcoming purchase order. Be precise with these numbers to ensure your inventory reflects your actual stock needs, which in turn helps in making accurate business decisions. Once you've completed all these steps, come back to the bottom of the page and click on Save and Close. This finalizes the adjustment and ensures that everything is recorded correctly in your QuickBooks system. With this, your purchase order for inventory is now complete and your inventory data is up to date. And there you have it. You've successfully created a purchase order for inventory in QuickBooks Online. Once you master this process, managing your business's inventory becomes smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful and straightforward. Don't forget to check back for more QuickBooks Online tips and tutorials.